Puppy string. Get the puppy string.
That's perfect.
I can't believe how big they've gotten. There you are, soldier. God, I want someone to take that dog. He's just so damn cute. Maybe you should be soldier and cowboy. Oh, I don't know. So that's good. We're confused. And you're a panda or pinto. There you are, Hildegard. There's Shasta, Chesapeake. I forget what his name. Charlie Brown, Brownie. You're Roly-Poly, Flopsy, Mopsy. Oh my God. See, they've all got the gene though. This one's got it in his ears. The sorrel.
Eyes. Oh my God.
Yeah. It's a dominant gene. This blue marrow.